Hello everybody, it's Tom and Jerry Fan 64 here, and it's now time for me to do a DVD update for February 3rd, 2023. And I'm also going to be doing a brief trailer review to the new Guy Ritchie movie, The Covenant. And before I show the update, I'm going to do my brief thoughts on the trailer to the new Guy Ritchie movie, The Covenant. I think this movie looks awesome. So yeah, I'm really excited for it because it has Jake Gyllenhaal for one, and it's directed by Guy Ritchie, the director of Snatch. So yeah, I'm really excited to see this movie. So yeah, I'm going to give the trailer a 10 out of 10 stars and an A-. So now let's get into the update. I got a total of 20 DVDs at a new store that I went to. And I got 20 DVDs, all of them were $1. So let's get started. Nick, first up is The Ring 2. I did find the movie Rings on DVD at the same store today, but the disc was in horrible condition. This is the unrated edition. Unrated edition, the version you couldn't see in theaters. I hope to get the first Ring on DVD sometime, and VHS. This one had the annoying tabs on it, but I broke them off. This one I found 2 copies of, but I decided to get the copy with the slipcover. Next up, I got Super Troopers. I finally have this movie. This one I replaced the case to. Here's this. I do have to get Super Troopers 2 sometime. I got Love Actually. This movie I heard is a really good Christmas movie. I've heard a lot of people talk highly about it. I got White Chicks. Please don't hate me. I actually decided to get this movie because it was $1. I didn't really like the trailer when I was watching this movie, but I decided to get this because it's $1, and I will keep it for the collection. Here's this. I will watch this movie just to see my thoughts on it. Next up, I got a 1999 DVD release of The Siege. I do have the 20th Century Fox Premiere Series VHS of this one. Here's disc. I got Mr. 3000. This one I found at Goodwill, but I didn't get it. I should have gotten it. This is a Touchstone movie, of course, by Dimension Films and Spyglass Entertainment. Here's the disc. And this next DVD I finally have back in the collection, 2008 DVD release of The Incredible Hulk. This one I used to have, I did get a DVD from my friend Darcy, but the disc was in horrible condition. But this one is in great condition. No scratches whatsoever. This disc. I got Me, Myself, and Irene. This one I finally have in my collection. This one stars Jim Carrey, which is why I got it. Here's a disc. I got Spectre. This one I replaced the case to. This is my third Daniel Craig Bond movie I have. The other 2 I have are Quantum of Solace, which I have on Blu-ray, and Casino Royale, which I have on DVD. The only Daniel Craig Bond movies I'm missing now are No Time to Die and Skyfall. I hope to watch this movie sometime. I got Dodgeball. Finally, I have this DVD back in collection as well. I used to have the unrated version, but I got rid of it for no reason. I used to have the rated version, but I threw it away because it was in horrible condition. This one's in great condition. No scratches whatsoever. It does have a little scratch, but not too bad. I had The Cat in the Hat. This movie, I hope to give this movie a rewatch. This movie I consider a guilty pleasure. This is a 2004 DVD, but this is a reprint from 2010. I do have to get the VHS of this one. I got Birth. This movie I've never heard of, but it has Nicole Kidman and the late Lauren Bacall and the late Anne Heche. This one was purchased from Blockbuster on June 19th, 2005. This is a Fine Line Features movie. Here's this. And this movie I do have to watch sometime. It's directed by Jonathan Glazer. I got the 1999 DVD release of The Runaway Bride. This one I used to have the 2003 reprint. That was a special edition VHS, but I got rid of it for no reason. But I thankfully got this movie back in the collection. Here's the disc. I got And Justice for All. This movie I got because it has Al Pacino. Unfortunately, it does have a hole on the case, but that's no big deal. So yeah, this is a 2004 DVD. I got this because it has Al Pacino. Next up, I got Step Brothers. I finally have this one in my collection. This one I replaced the case to. This one I used to have on a 3-movie collection of Will Ferrell movies, which included The Other Guys and Talladega Nights, but I got rid of it. Here's this. Next up, I got the 2012 DVD release of The Lorax. This is the rental version. This movie I finally have. I did find a DVD of this at Goodwill, but the disc was not in very good condition, but I finally found a copy in good condition. This movie I did see in the theaters back in 2012, and it was a great movie. I hope to rewatch it sometime. It has a boring greatest because it's a rental. I got a 2017 DVD release of Tommy Boy, the Holy Shnikey edition. I do have the VHS of this one as well. Here's disc 1 with the movie, and disc 2 with the special features. This next movie I finally have back in collection as well, and is He's Just Not That Into You. Purchased from Blockbuster on August 30th, 2009. And there's also another Blockbuster, which I think I'll take off the black because it's starting to come off. See, I spine back. This one I got back in collection because Scarlett Johansson's in it. These next two movies, this next one I have on VHS, it's a 2004 DVD release of Meet the Parents. I know my grandma has this DVD. This one I do have the demo VHS of, but I decided to get the DVD because it was $1. This, and the last piece of media I got today is a 2005 DVD release of Meet the Fockers. This one I finally have back in collection as well. This one I used to have the DVD of this one a long time ago, but it was caseless and the disc was horribly scratched. And I used to have the VHS, but I got rid of it for no reason. Here's this. So that is it for my DVD update for February 3rd, 2023, and for my trailer review to the movie The Covenant, in which I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're generous enough, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe, plus it really helps out, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye everybody, adios.